Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling auto brightness so you control output and see how the screen behaves. This reveals whether software or sensor causes the issue. Once done, pull down quick settings and set the slider around 50% as a baseline because mid-range shows both dim and bright problems. Make sure to inspect the ambient light sensor area and remove any screen protector or case that might block it. Dirt often fools the sensor and causes unexpected dimming. Next, you test adaptive brightness. Toggle it on and off while moving between bright and dim environments to see responsiveness, because that isolates algorithm issues. Then, fine-tune color temperature and contrast to improve perceived brightness. Warmer temps can seem dimmer, while cooler temps look brighter. Once you suspect a software cause, boot into safe mode and try a trusted third-party brightness app to force levels. If the app controls brightness normally, an installed app or setting is the culprit. To finish, restart your phone and install any pending system updates, because firmware fixes often resolve brightness bugs. If problems persist, reset display settings, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up, since corrupted settings can block proper output. Make sure to clean the sensor area and test in safe mode again. If the screen still dims or flickers unpredictably, the sensor or display hardware may be failing. In that case, contact repair service. Quick troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.